Hi guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to our channel. No, it's been a while, but today I'm going to be showing you guys another room makeover.
Hi guys.
So I'm going to be doing it with Shalina, and if you guys didn't already notice, we're in our Audis. First off, I'm just going to show you guys my bedroom at the moment. So yeah, this is my desk and my very fat chair that takes up so much space. And this is my tiny wardrobe. And this is just the bookshelf that I have all my stuff. And I'm thinking of changing around a lot.
Wait, where are we moving it?
We're just moving it out so we can push this one.
Okay.
I actually would if I could.
Rồi kia, phải không? Quay.
Thank you, Bam.
Không good.
Thank
Oh,
you.
good.
Your 5 past makeovers, you were like, this is the best setup I've ever done.
No, this is the best setup that I've ever done. Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
push it out because it's uneven. And no one's got a nap.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so smart.
Now it is exactly a line. If I drop something there, there's like a 3-inch gap. So I'm gonna move this out because the chair's no sense.
Did you notice, by the way, we're matching Crocs?
Shalina found it at a flea market. She bought me one and she gave me a pink one even though she liked pink better.
No, I actually like purple better, but there wasn't any in stock. I will wear
Anyways.
these outside.
Let's go. Let's go, team. Let's go. Oh!
Some quick ASMR.
I'm going to push this desk into here. So it's going to cover this section. So I'm just going to put in the stuff that I don't take out often. Okay. So I'm going to put in this gym bag because obviously I don't go gym. So.
I just realized what you said. Yeah, like that.
Is that a good
Yeah.
system, guys? That's a good system to me.
You want a Pringle?
Yes, please.
We got these new flavors from Costco. It's really good.
For my makeup. And this is what it looks like. I forgot my sock basket. Socks, shoes.
Anyways.
Whoa, Mary's glowing. Put it down because it's gonna. Tell me if it looks good. Oh my god.
Can we move back?
Now it looks like this. Like my desk is connected to this shelf. Now I just clean up the table. I should show the thing that I got. So I got these tulips recently. And I really like the color. I was looking for pink, but I couldn't find it. So I got these instead. I heard that once you bend them, they're nice. Turn it up actually. I'm so smart. This takes a lot of work, guys. A lot of brain power. Hey guys, so it's been a week and my mattress has arrived, but I'm still waiting on the bed. So in the meantime, I got these wooden hangers. So I'm going to be cleaning my closet, reorganizing everything, decluttering. So yeah, let's get to it. my god. This is my declutter pile, so I'm probably just gonna give these clothes away.
Đừng nha, đừng để đâu.
Oh, okay.
Đang. Đấy, nó mua về này. Nó dễ hả? À, được không?
Oh.
Natural.
Let's go. Yeah. Literally takes up half my room, but like it's still pretty cute. So it has these extra storages, 2 of them, so I can just put these inside, and it has this like shelf that I can put stuff inside as well. And then also, this is my favorite part, and then on the end there's 2 drawers that I can put my stuff in. Like, do you like that? So this video took so long to film and edit because it was a full room makeover. I didn't paint the walls or anything, but the process took like 2 weeks. But overall, I'm super satisfied with the results. My room is literally everything I wanted. It's so pink and so minimal, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I did. Again, this is Tina from Triotts, and hope you can subscribe to watch more of me and my sisters. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!